Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 4th of May. Boy, it's chilly out there for May and quite foggy as well. Now, let's check some of the Skycam shots. Look at the Tuscaloosa camera. You can barely see down below from the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse down to Lurleen B. Wallace Boulevard. So if you're watching this early and driving to work, take a little extra time because the fog is thick. In fact, look at the Inverness Skycam. Hey, I assume there's something down there. You just can't see it. That's the one that's on top of the Wingate Inn. And from Jasper, foggy up in Walker County as well. Once that fog burns off, though, we've got a beautiful day today. Big trough swinging through, producing cold air this morning. Rain well off to the east, and we've got a long dry spell coming up. Hey, look at the 30s on that board. 38 for Cullman, 39 for Haleyville. How about that for May in Alabama? Birmingham at 46. Now, tomorrow morning will be just as cold, I think. So, but this will be the last, I think, really chilly snap before that old long, hot summer gets here. So enjoy these refreshing mornings. And look at the nation. Again, you're not going to see that map look like that very often for quite a while. It is very cool over much of the United States. And, of course, that continental air is going to set the stage for a nice, long, dry spell coming up. And, of course, with a map like that, you figured this map will be quiet, and sure enough it is. That's the watch warning map, and just a few flash flood watches up in the northeast, and that's about it. QPF, nothing. Now, this started last night at 7, so the little green across Alabama, that takes into account the rain we had last night. Today, and for the next 7 days and beyond, forget it. It'll be dry as a bone, which is exactly what we need. Check the GFS, the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock today. This is at 500 millibars. There's the trough over the east. And down below that, again, just a refreshing day today. The dew points will likely be in the 30s all day. That means the humidity will be extremely low. The high, probably 67 to 70, something like that. Just very refreshing and comfortable. Tomorrow morning, we'll start the morning chilly again. The GFS is showing 40. The NAM is showing 42. So it should be just as cool as this morning, but we start to warm up with low to mid-70s, and then Friday, upper 70s are likely as the warm-up continues. We note that little disturbance passing northeast of here should not affect us. Saturday, starting off the weekend, we go back up in the low 80s with a bright sunny sky. And Sunday, we stay dry with mid-80s likely. Great weekend for the region's classic Senior PGA golf tournament at Shoal Creek. Can you tell I'm not a golf guy? But they've moved the event this year to Shoal Creek, and no rain, so it looks great. Monday of next week, we stay dry, and it's going to warm up. We're under an upper ridge, so we'll do mid to upper 80s. And, hey, Tuesday, we could be flirting with 90. It's going to get hot. And then again, June's almost here. It's that time. And a week from today, look at the ridge. Yeah, that looks 90-ish to me, and there's the surface chart, and of course we're dry as a bone. All of the active weather on top of the ridge to the north. Go out there a few more days, May 15th. Ooh, the ridge replaced with a trough. Look at that big high-amplitude pattern. Things all blocked up, big ridge in between, upper low off the northwest Pacific coast, and if that's right, that will be nice and dry and cool for May. And then on the 19th, the ridge is back, 588 ridge over Mexico, and again, that looks dry. So really, it's a very quiet pattern, very little rain for the next 15 days, and certainly on the last several runs, we've seen no significant chance of severe weather for our state. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog, the next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never witnessed anything like this, and I hope we never do again.
People are coming in to help them. That's what Alabama's all about. It's almost as if a bomb went off.
My baby's alive. My husband's alive. We made it.
I'm demolished. I don't have nothing. Just chaos, really.
It's just a nightmare that I know that I cannot wake up from.
God can do with it as He will.